This is Casey on her wedding day and she seems frustrated. Let's see why. The flowers she ordered were there but in different colors. The band played an entrance song but it was not the wedding march. Do you want the photographers not to show up on your wedding day? Well, we'll see what else can go wrong. In the other hand, this is Phoebe. She has a big smile on her face with a vibrant bouquet of wildflowers as she ordered. And the band played her favorite song. The food was delicious and the guests were amazed. Apparently, everything went well. What can be the secret, Timaya?
Well, she registered on www.silverstar.com and Silverstar recommended all the star class vendors in the area. So Phoebe is very happy on her wedding day. The Silverstar wedding planning system comes with all-in-one wedding management system that lets you manage everything from bride's flower arrangements to guest list. Thousands of registered local renowned vendors for fairest price and best service to make your enchanted wedding dreams come true. That's not all. You can review the services, list out the wedding tasks, and assign the vendors in advance. Also, arrange seating on your location and keep track on the guest list. Why is our system special?
Well, while other similar systems specifically brings you single type of vendors, the Silverstar collaborates all the vendors to fulfill your wedding needs so that you can make your dream day a reality. Requesting and comparing quotations based on budget and location has made life easier than it ever can be. Let's go and recognize the team behind this project. While Sean led the project as the lead developer, Oshadi and Saranga followed his steps on the development process as associate developers. Imaya led the role of Scrum Master. She ensured that the team lives agile values and principles throughout the development process. The product owner Yasir ensured that he maintained conceptual and technical integrity of the features or components for the team.
Since we preferred teamwork, collaboration, time boxing tasks, and flexibility to respond to change as quickly as possible, Agile methodology was the best choice. As this focuses on early and predictable delivery, predictable costs, and schedule that improve the quality, Agile became a powerful tool in the development lifecycle.
Use of collaboration tools made planning, tracking, releasing, and reporting way easier and ordered for the team with the help of tools such as Jira, Slack, and Trello boards.
Waiting time is over. Let's have a look at the ultimate wedding management system, the Silverstar.
Let's see a demo of our implemented system, wedding planning system, Silverstar. We'll go to the hosted server. Now there you can see how the system can view to the public user. So in the home page, there we have listed the top rated vendors. Those are managed by the admin, the top rated vendors, and the vendor categories like hotels, Ashtaka, reception halls, saris, salons likewise, and the upcoming exhibitions and events are listed. And so this is the home page, and if you go to the under directory, the vendors are listed who are registered to our system and accepted by the admin. So if user need to see more details about a vendor, they can click one vendor and read more details about the vendor, and further they can request quote from here. And then exhibitions and events page. This page is totally maintained by the admin, and likewise the offers page. The offers of the weddings are also listed in this page. That also totally maintained by the admin dashboard. And the gallery, there the admin maintain this page to give good idea and latest ideas to the customer. And likewise, in the video gallery, you can see the latest videos, so the customer can play those videos here and watch these things easily and fulfill their dream weddings. And then the contact us page comes, and next the magazine page. So this also maintained by the admin dashboard. And the marriage proposal, so if a user needs to publish their details, they can contact the admin and publish their details in this marriage proposal page. And further, if a customer need to register to our system, they can use this button, and likewise vendor can register from here. So let's see separately customer dashboard, vendor dashboard, and admin dashboard. A customer can register from by clicking this button. So this page he can register. For now, let's log in with a registered user. Login successful, and this is the customer dashboard. So these are the main features. Customer can see to-do list, guest list, seating table. When you go to to-do list, we can add new tasks here. And let's see, book hotel, can add some date. So now as you can see, it is listed here. Once it is done, the customer can complete that task. So it is going to this place, and if you need, you can also delete that. And when maintaining guest list, user can easily add new guests here. So after adding the guest, they can once they invite them, they can click this and move that into this stage. So as you can see, now Niron Jaishan is in the invited guest list. So once he accepted, you can click accepted button, and then it will go to accepted list. So easily the user can maintain guest list, and summary is also mentioned in here. Then the table seating details. Now there are several guests. Already they have table number arranged, and if you need to give a third table to the Niron Jaishan, you can add him to that table. So easily you can maintain guests, and the overall summary is also mentioned in the dashboard here. So those are the main features in customer dashboard. So customer can log out from here.
In our system, there are three major roles: the customer, vendor, and admin. Here the vendor can register with the registration form and log in here by using his credentials. And this is vendor's dashboard, and here the summary. And vendor can listed his services, add images to the gallery, and see requested codes of customers. In listed items, here he can add vendor services by using this form, adding title, telephone, mobile address, web address, and description, location, gallery images, videos, and social media icons. And you can also add images, gallery images, and see the requested codes. In admin, he can register the admin user, and here the admin can log in here. In admin dashboard, this is the summary, and he can approve requested vendors, vendor services, and disapprove them, and make vendors top rated, and adding categories, adding exhibition and events, adding offers, adding magazines, and add proposals. Those are the things that admin can do. In here, when admin add a service, approve a service, then it can be shown here, the price, and also admin can disapprove the services, and now it's disappearing from here. And he can also operate these vendors images to you. And here only 3 operated vendors, and we can refresh it, and there is 4 operated vendors. And we can also remove from operated vendors. And then customer can request a quotation from a vendor, and here when we submit a quotation for a vendor can see the requested quotation, and then the admin can add categories and the exhibition and events, and add offers, add magazines, and also can add proposals here.
Let's see how we can run our code in local. First of all, I'll show you how we manage our code. So as the version control system, we used GitHub. There we have created an organization called S2Y.io. Under that, our project is listed, the wedding planner. The contributors are me, Saranga, and Shan. You can go inside to our project, and this URL we can use to get a clone in for local. As this is a web-based system, first we need to install a server like XAMPP. In my case, I have already installed XAMPP. Now we need to start Apache and MySQL there first, and then we need to enable a port. So I am using 8081. After that, we need to set up our database. First, we will go to PHP MyAdmin in our XAMPP server, and we have already imported the database. So this is the database we are using. So then we need to clone the project inside htdocs. So here I am already in XAMPP under htdocs. So you need to clone, get a git clone here. So in my case, I have get a clone here. So I'll go inside my project, wedding planner. we'll check what is the branch we are in. So we are in develop branch. We'll take a pull first. So as you can see, it is already up to date. So now it should be up and running. Let's go to localhost 8081 wedding planner. So as you can see, our system is up and running. So let's go to customer and check. Yeah, the customer dashboard is also loading. Vendor dashboard, and we'll check admin dashboard. For that we have to give /admin. Yeah, that's also working fine. So this is the way we can run our project in local.